Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and I want to show you how to quickly remove the front cubby. There are two ways. The official one, which goes like this: remove this trim, remove two Torx screws that are underneath, remove those two side panels which go all the way over here, and with those panels removed you can pry the front cubby. There are two clips, one is over here and one is over here, and once those two clips are undone you can just lift it up slightly and slide it out about this much, and from the passenger side you can undo connectors for your USB or AUX or media in, whatever connection you have over here. So this is the official way, but with right tools you can do it much faster, and we are going to use something like this. I have this set of trim removal tools, and one of the tools looks like this, and even with one hand I will be able to remove this. You need to put this hook over here and pull it upwards. One side and the other one. And right now you can see that both those clips are undone, and I have my gear knob in parked position, so it's in the way. If it's in neutral or drive, I would be able to slide it out from the car. So this is released, and I believe that you still need to remove the Climatronic trim, because it has slight edge over here, and when you remove it there will be more room to remove this front cubby. I've managed to move it without removing this trim, but as I said, if you remove it, it will be much simpler. Okay, that's pretty much it. When you want to put it back, just press it over here, and it clicks back in place. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.